Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, why owning a car in Canada is becoming impossible for many? This question comes as many people nowadays ask this. Why? So guys, it used to be very normal to own a car because we survive on cars, especially during winter. But now ownership is becoming more and more impossible. Why? So I'm going to discuss. Make sure you watch this till the end. So the cost of cars are high now. The problem is insurance. In some areas, insurance is crazy. I would really use the word crazy. It's too expensive, even more than your car payment. Okay. Gas, we are going through roller coaster. Okay. And then repairs. Oh my god. Sometimes it's hard to find a part also, and even if you get a part, it becomes more expensive to get it repaired. So now, if I elaborate, recently prices have increased. Many models like those used to call, like earlier, you even a used car that used to cost 8,000 now easily cost 15 or more. New cars are also expensive and high interest rate, and there are long waiting times too. People are paying like car insurance for high cost, which looks like second mortgage or second rent, right? For new drivers, like if you have to pay $500 a month, that's too much, right? Gas prices are like unbelievably going up and down, especially in this condition. And maintenance, oil change, brake replacement, tires, all cost hundreds or sometimes even thousands. So many people feel like car is something that is draining your money all the time. It's like a constant expense. People like those who buy car on finance or loans, they find it like they have to stretch it for years. So yes, because of these factors, many people are just budgeting out. So what can be done in this case? So there are some realistic ways that I'm gonna tell you. First of all, buy a reliable car, not luxury, if you cannot afford. Okay, a reliable car is more important than a luxurious car because what hits your pocket matters. Try to avoid long term loans, compare insurance quotes every year, and try to find out the best deal. Keep your driving history clean so that you can save on insurance. Avoid toll routes so that you can save money on commute, and maintain the car regularly. And when you go to buy gas, I have I have told in other videos at what time and where you should go so that you can save money on gas. Okay, if you follow all these, your monthly cost still could be manageable. So this is what I want to discuss in this video, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.